Hello everyone, welcome to the Hindu editorial vocabulary and reading program. The Hindu editorial title is Troubling Questions. Troubling Question. Troubling Question. The first word is equity, means fair and impartial. Paved, to cover the area of ground with a solid material. Disparities, means imbalance, not sensitizing, means responding or sensitive. Non-discriminatory means not fair or not unfair or fair. Overstated, exaggerated or strongly. Condemned, to severely punish. Regressive means less developed or outdated ideology. Fury, sudden angry reaction. Misogyny, feeling of hating women. Some people hate the woman. That is called as misogyny. Outrageous, shameful. Impressionable means easily influenceable. Emancipation, emancipation, freeing of someone, liberated. Destroyed, at the end of existence. Pedestal, base or foundation. Deprived, lack of things which are very necessary for living. Passage, passage, brief part of written statement or a paragraph. Light hearted, not serious. Tone deaf means not able to discriminate the different sounds. Regret means feel bad or sorry. Owed means promise to do something. Truncated means shortened, reduced. Glaring, reflecting or very obvious. Omissions, excluded or left out. Core, central part of anything. Federalism means a jurisdiction governed by the two governments. For example, India is a federal system. State government is there and central government is there. Citizenship, status of freedom with responsibilities. Nationalism, support of nation interest. Secularism, no religion used in official or daily activities. Neutrality, secularism, away from the religious beliefs. Democracy, people elected governments. Diversity, including of everyone who are from different ethnic or sex or caste or religion, that is called as diversity. Myriad, myriad means countless. Stereotypes, preconceived notion. Reiterating, saying something again and again, emphasis. Lighten, becoming lighter. Comprehension, the ability to understand something. So these are the words which are very, very important to understand the article titled Troubled Questions. It's all about CBSE English question paper, which is in which passage is having outrageous content against the women. So now we will move to that reading session. The road to gender equity is long and hard. And despite the fact that Each generation has paved a better way for the next. The struggle to overcome disparities is far from over. Through this difficult through this difficult journey, the school's role in sensitizing young minds towards building a non-discriminatory world cannot be overstated. In this context, a comprehensive passage in the Central Board of Secondary Education English examination conducted on Saturday for class 10 students must be condemned for its regressive and sexist stance. The passage, which created a furor across all sections of society and in parliament, where Congress President Sonia Gandhi called out the misogyny contained outrageous sentences, including one which said, women gaining independence in the main reason for a wide variety of social and family problems. Young, impressionable teenagers, girls, and boys, already stressed because of the pandemic, did not know how to tackle the question. Another sentence shockingly read that the emancipation of the wife destroyed the parents' authority over the children. In bringing the man down from his pedestal, the wife and mother deprived herself. In fact, of the means of the discipline, the multiple answers to one question that followed, the passage asking children to comment on the tone had this choice. Writer takes light-hearted approach to life. This initial response from the CBSE was tone deaf, although board later said it had was dropping its later said it was dropping these questions. It was eventually forced to express regret and it vowed to review its paper setting process. Already because of COVID-19, the 2021 syllabi for class 9 to 12th were truncated by 30% with glaring omissions of core concepts in subjects such as mathematics. From the social sciences and other humanities subjects, topics such as federalism, citizenship, nationalism, secularism, democracy, and diversity were slashed. In the real world, it will be tougher for children if they are not taught the basics in school and if they grow up with the anxieties related to the gender. For instance, in India, misogyny has long roots. Inequalities of class, caste, gender already exist in the school system, worse in the villages and among the urban poor. Many girls are pushed to drop out for myriad reasons, from the lack of toilet facilities in schools to forced labor or marriage. If men, as Claudia Goldin says in her book, Career and Family, must start what women have always done: provide personal support, lend a ear, and help. Education has to begin when they are young. Instead of teaching them to cast of stereotypes, school authorities are reiterating old wrongs. At a time when it is imperative for both to lighten children's burden, the CBSE has sent out the worst possible message. This is all about the CBSE English question paper, where the passage having sexiest stance and misogyny against the women. So if you read that, you'll understand the author's uh, light-hearted towards the society and women. Thank you all for listening. If at all you like it, just subscribe for regular updates. Thank you.